Sorry. Ah, ah. Well, hello, Denise.
Hello.
Kimmerau.
Sorry.
Kimmerau.
Hami Guma.
Velugama. Okay. Oh, Dleva. How many told it you? Yeah, so we're the only people here so far, but it's still early. So
Yeah, I'm on the dot. I
yeah.
was making English toffee for the what's it called? December nights. And I
Uh-huh.
know those ladies are very into helping out, so they might be making some baked goods as well.
Ah,
You know, in Balboa Park,
I'm sorry.
at Balboa Park, they have December nights where they sell a bunch of food and candy and stuff.
Oh, no.
Oh, you should go.
Okay.
Yeah, it's this weekend. It's
Oh, okay.
free except parking's like $30. So you might want to have someone drop you off or take the trolley.
Oh, okay. All right. Well,
Excuse me.
yeah. All right. Well, that sounds like fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. So anyway, so have you been doing okay?
Yeah, I just been busy with the candy making.
With the candy machine?
Oh, making candy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I made English toffee, nougat, which I'm gonna cover in chocolate, and a vanilla fudge.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay. That sounds like fun.
It was hard work.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. And here's Tim. Timarahu Tim. Oh, there we go. Hello, Tim.
Hello. I had problems with Zoom tonight. Almost didn't
What's
let
that?
me in.
What's that?
I had problem with Zoom. It almost didn't let me in.
Oh, there's a different link.
Yeah, I had the link, but it just
Huh.
It tried to want me to do my password and every. Oh,
Oh, okay. Well,
I
how'd you?
got in.
Maybe it's doing an update. That's why everybody's late.
Ah, okay. All right. We'll wait a couple more minutes. So anyway, will I fool on you? Is it cold today? Will I
A
fool?
little. The sun was out.
Oh, okay. Green a Jersach. Green a Jersach. Sun was shining.
I was inside all day.
Oh,
I
That's not
don't
fun.
know.
well, it was sty, a sty inside.
Inside stuff.
Okay, yeah. Related to the word tie, a house, a sty
Okay.
inside. Uh-huh. Let me a sty. Fat law, all day. Okay. Hmm. Oh, and here's Lisa. Okay, hello, Lisa. Kimrau.
Hamigma.
Ah, Dleva. Dleva. Yeah, yeah. Dleva. Yeah. Velaifur. Velaifur, where you are? Paravelu? No? Okay.
No.
Yeah. How down in Temecula? Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Outsan Asak, Outsan Asak. The Fasak would be the desert.
Oh,
How do you
Oh.
say cloudy?
I'm sorry?
How do you say cloudy?
Cloudy, Keoak, Keoak. Keo would be a cloud.
Hmm.
Keoak, Keoak would be cloudy.
Mhm.
Keo would be cloud. Mm. Or, well, Neolach, Dulik, Neolach. Okay. Let me go, okay, so you can see my screen, right? Okay. All right, okay, so here. I'm sorry, Keoach would be foggy. Neolach would be cloudy. Okay. Okay. Keoach would be foggy. Neolach would be cloudy. Okay. Maybe I can Neolach on you.
What about sunny?
Sunny. Grianach. Grianach. Sunny. From Grian for sun. Grianach.
Thank you.
Grian a Jairsuck. Okay. The sun is shining. Grian a Jairsuck. Yeah. So Amisha, out in the Beountain. Okay. In the mountains. I guess a four on show. It's cold here. I four on show. I four. Out in the Beountain, in the mountains. Yeah.
How do you say it's hot here?
It's hot.
Yeah,
Okay.
like the opposite.
Che
Mhm.
Okay.
on show.
Mhm.
It's hot here. Okay. Che hot. Yeah. Yeah. Is it hot where you are, or
Oh, I don't know. It looks sunny. I'm just wondering what it looks like in comparison.
oh, okay, right, yeah.
Structure.
Yeah. But Che, okay, and then and in between, you have Funer, cool, and blah, warm. See, so yeah, do we have kind of a scale? Fur, Funer, blah, Che. Okay. Yeah. All right. All right. Okay. Well, why don't we get started? And I got a message from Eva. She's not going to be here today. She had I don't know if it was emergency, but she had some dental work done today. So, but anyway, all righty. Does anybody have any other questions before we get started? Okay, so we have the piper. Na vier chlish ons na speren. And it's na vier chlish, the dancing men, is what they call the aurora borealis. Okay. Na vier chlish, the dancing men in the ons na speren, in the sky, in the heavens, okay, amongst the stars, na vier chlish. Okay. All right, okay. And the schedule for the week, Falcha, Shinachel, grammar. And this week we'll expand to the verb be, or the past tense of the verb be. That's the same verb that we've been working with, but only in the present tense. Now we're going to expand to the past tense. Okay. And by popular demand, we'll take a look at some vocabulary for the beach. Okay. Okay. Oh, here's Heather. Hello, Heather.
Oh.
Okay. Kamrao and Jane. Okay. All right. Kuchuk. Okay. Hello, Jane. Kamrao. Okay. All right. And we'll go back to the song Farambi Mihin. Okay, we haven't finished that yet. Okay. Let's see. Somebody. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. And falcha. There's a random Gallic phrase on tachrus orum. I am hungry. On tachrus orum. Okay. It doesn't go with any particular lesson. It's just a random phrase I thought I'd throw in here. Okay. But it's useful, I think. I am hungry. On tachrus orum. Literally, the hunger is on me. See, feelings in Gaelic are very often described as being on a person. Okay. Yes, yes.
I'm
Denise?
wondering if you could take off the paragraph stuff.
What? I'm sorry. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay. Was
Thank
that
you.
better?
Yeah, that looks better.
Okay. Yeah. I know those can kind of clutter things up. All right. Okay. And on Mia's show this month, on Dulak. Okay. Yes, everybody say that. On Dulak.
Alhamdulillah.
Uh-huh. And this is kind of a complicated ending right there. It's a CH with a K. Undo luck. You see? Okay. But anyway, so it's December. And literally means the darkness. Du would be black. Okay. Du. Okay. And du luck. Okay. All right. There you go. All right. Okay. So that's the month. Okay. Shanachana Shechana. First I'll say it and then I'll take you through it slowly. Brek Alina, Slat
Brakalina.
Acholia,
Sladakolia.
okay, is Fieg Afirak,
Is Fia.
Mela Ounce Nachtogav, Nachtogav, Gael Riev Nara. Okay, all right, okay. So a fish from the river, a stick from the wood, a deer from the mountain, a theft no Gael was at any time ashamed of. Okay. And and it's not it does not express kind of an outlaw sensibility, but more of a strong belief in the communal ownership of land. Okay, especially wilderness land. I mean, so and so As I've said before, Gallic culture was in many ways a collectivist culture. Land was believed to be jointly possessed by the people of a clan, and wild land was believed to be, open for anybody to um, um, hike on or hunt from. Okay, and there's a continuation of that ethic in Scotland today, where there is what's called a right to roam. Now, landowners, cannot prevent people from hiking across their land. I know in the United States, say farmers, fence off their land and they shoot anybody who walks across it. But in Scotland, as long as say a hiker isn't disturbing the land, they have a right to hike across it. So anyway, and then this collectivist nature also um, was enshrined in what's called the Crofters Act, um, which set rights of crofter organizations to dispose of or to assign crofts to various farmers to have a jurisdiction over small farm holdings. So Breck Alina, okay, salmon from
Alina.
the pond, Slat Acholia, okay,
Latahoya.
stick from the forest is Fig Afirech, Fig Afirech,
Fig.
deer from the mountains, Merla ounce nach Dogav, Merla ounce nach Dogav,
Merla.
the theft in which Gael Ri of Nara. Okay. No Gael was ever ashamed. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. And a little review, parts of the body. So a couple short videos that I'll share with you. I have to stop the share for a moment and then reshare, share sound. Okay, so we have a Outlander body parts. I like for Outlander.
In medieval Scotland, when a knight was summoned to battle, he would have to be particularly careful about protecting his bowick or protecting his body. Ciawn. Ciawn. Brolach. Brolach. Golan. Golan. Garston. Garston. Lav. Lav. Jeshal!
And facial means ready, okay, or finished. Okay. And then there's another one, another body part review. Just a short little video. Oh, yeah, okay. The face.
Sulan.
Right.
Sulan.
Leland.
Strån. Strån. Feel. Feel. Cluason. Cluason. Ciawn. Ciawn. Fault. Fault.
There you go. Okay. And I'll point something out here. Let me just go back. Let's see. Strong. No. Okay. Yeah. Nope. Where are we? right here. Okay, yeah. Very often in Gaelic, when we have two vowels together in the middle of a word, not always, but very often, you end up pronouncing both of them. Like right here, biol, biol. Okay, so it's not bill or bull or something like that. It's biol. Okay, so that's yeah, okay, like right here again, Cluason, Cluason, Cluason. You see, so pronounce both those letters there. Like I said, it's not always the case, but it's very often the case. Cluason. Okay, so not Cluson. In English, we'd probably say something like Cluson, but it's Cluason, Cluason, Cluason. Okay, okay. Just a little note on pronunciation. All right, there we go. All right, so, all right. So let's go to the past tense of the verb be, to be. Okay, so we've been using this in the present tense. Hami, I am, ha'u, you are, ha'i, she is. And so I ask, Kimra ha'u, how are you? And etc. Okay, and you say, ah, hami gama. Okay. And the negative would be Chaniel. Okay, Chaniel,
Danielle.
Chaniel. I am not. Chaniel Sheen. We are not. Okay. Or the negative question. Nachelu, aren't you? Okay. Nachil it, aren't they? And this Nachel form or the Nach form can also be used for uh, a uh, exclamation. Okay, like Nakelu Glich. Okay, aren't you smart? Okay, so yeah, so it can also be used as that. Nachel, aren't you smart? And it translates pretty directly into English. So Nachelu, aren't you? Or Nachelu Glich. Okay, aren't you smart? Okay, so but now we're going to take a look at the past tense for the verb be. And the simple past tense, the independent form, that is to make a statement, it's va. Okay, very similar to ha. So go ahead and say va,
Va.
Ah.
va. Okay.
Ah.
Yeah, and it's pronounced with a V. Okay. Pronounced with a V, like va. Okay, so va'u,
Va'u.
Va'u.
uh-huh, va'e,
Va'e.
Vae.
va'i,
Va'i.
vashin,
Vashin.
Vashin.
vashiv,
Vashiv.
va'it.
Va'it.
Uh-huh. And sometimes you'll hear this said as it, va'et, va'it, va'it. Okay, so people don't always pronounce it, and contrary to what I just said, formally it's it, but very often you'll hear it's just it. But okay, anyway. And again, like with the present tense, the verb does not conjugate. It doesn't change according to the person indicated. And here's examples in English. Okay, I am, you are, he is, or I was, you were, she, what would that be? She was. Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah, so examples of the English of the conjugation, okay, taking it through the different persons. Gaelic doesn't do that. Okay. So Gaelic doesn't do us too many favors, but this is one little favor that she does us. Okay. The verb doesn't change according to the person. Okay. And the person refers to whether it's me or who or a, he, she, we, you, and etc. Okay, so okay. Now the negative or question form. Okay, and again, Gallic uses different forms for a statement or a question. Okay, and and the negative would be charo, eon show. He was not here today. So go ahead and say it. Charo eon show.
Hello.
Uh-huh. He was not here. Charo ifur anju.
Robbie Fur on shoe.
Uh-huh. It was not cold today. Okay. Charo e gleek.
Ik leak.
Okay. He was not smart. Okay. Okay. And let's see. Okay. Yeah. And so I forgot to do the okay, the question form. So I'll do that right here. Okay. Question would be on row what? On row E blah anju. Okay. Was it warm today? Okay, so you see the row form on row. Okay, or that's for the question on row. And compare with Avel. Okay, okay. Is it? Okay, Avel. Okay, on row. Okay, or the negative charo. Go and say that charo.
Hello.
Charo. Okay. Okay, or nachro.
Nachro.
Nachro. Okay, so again, you use the row, and wasn't it cold today? Okay, which could either be an exclamation or nachro e fur anju, a question. Wasn't it cold today? Okay, you see, so so the same whether it's a question or an exclamation. Okay, and as with the present tense, the past tense of the verb be, okay, is also used with a verbal noun. So va'i agol tea. So go ahead and say that. Uh-huh. She was drinking tea, or she drank tea. Now, for the time being, we're just going to use the verbal noun form for the past tense. Okay, as you right here, you see in English, there's a difference between what's called the progressive form, the ing form, and the simple past, what's called the simple past tense. You know, they have a different feeling and they have a slightly different meaning. Okay, and the same is true in Gallic. Okay, Gallic has a simple past, but right now we're going to stick with the verbal noun form, the progressive form, the ing form. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Okay, haro e agra. Haro
e
agra.
Okay, he was not saying. He did not say. Okay. Nachro u adol. Nachro u adol.
Nachro
U
adol.
Jan skol.
School anje.
Jan skol anje. Weren't you going to school yesterday, or didn't you go to school yesterday? Okay. All right. Okay. All right. And right here, I explain what we're doing with the ing form, with the verbal noun form. Okay. And as I said, the time will come that we expand this and we go on to another form of the past tense. Okay. But we're going to stick with this right now. One of the reasons being is it's very easy to move from English to this verbal noun form because it is so similar. It works very similarly to the ing form, the progressive form in English. Okay, so it gives us a very simple entry into more detailed, more complex phraseology or phrasing in Gaelic. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. So Korag, Anje Skola. Okay. Korag,
Korag.
Korag,
Korag.
Anje Skola.
Anje Skola.
Jesko.
Uh-huh. After school, conversation after school. Okay. Okay. And Madri says, hello, Ian.
Hello, Ian.
Hello, Ian.
And
Anro Ekantai Anje.
Robin Ekantai Anje.
Were you at home yesterday? Anro Ekantai. Ekantai, at home, at the house. Anje would be yesterday. Okay. And Ian says, hello.
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 Okay. Yeah. That should be Avari. Okay. Hello, Avari. Bomiado Yan Valavor.
Bami Yan
Hello.
Balambor.
Yan Valavor.
Yeah,
Okay. I went to the city, or I went to the big city. Okay, Ballamore. Okay, okay. All right. And Molly asked Carson.
Corson.
Uh-huh. Jeva u Ajanov.
Devahu Ajana.
Uh-huh. What were you doing, or what did you do? Okay. Okay. And Ian says, Vami Agiha pizza.
Vami
Mami
Agista Pizza.
Pizza.
Pizza. I guess a goal sul ul.
Agasa Usu.
Agasagol. Sul ul.
Ul le Makarish.
Nemo Harachin.
And and that should be Kolari Makarish.
With my friend.
Okay. And I'll change the spelling on pizza here to pizza. Okay. Okay. Vamiagiha pizza. I guess a goal sul ul, literally juice of an apple. Sul ul. Okay. Kolari Makarish. And Adi says, Hashin ma.
Hassan Ma.
Vamisha Ekantai.
Vamisha and Tai.
Tai. A feckin film and on television.
Feckin film and on television.
Aired on television. And notice film is pronounced with the little, film. Okay. With the little helping vowel in there. Okay. All right. Anroema.
Roy Ma.
Okay. Was it good? Okay. Haroe Rova.
Roy Rova.
Okay. It wasn't too good. Okay. Ach. Vamikuchik Agestich Rikio.
Vamikuche extra.
Agestich Rikio. Okay. But I was also listening to music. Geistich Rikio. Okay, listening to music. Okay. Okay. Jeva u Agestich Rish.
Jeva exit Rish.
What were you listening to? Jeva u Agestich Rish. Okay. Vami Agestich Runrig.
Vami exit rerun.
Ishtik rerun rig.
Anro u Rief.
Ro Uriab.
Agestich Rua.
Extra Rua.
Have you ever listened to them? Okay. Va.
Va.
Acharomi Aklunshin.
Rogmi Aklushin.
And Kiol Runrig Anje.
Kiel Runrik Anje.
Yeah, but I wasn't hearing, but I didn't hear Runrig yesterday. Okay, all right. Jeva ua clunchen.
Shevahu Akunchen.
Okay, what did you hear? Wami a clunchen fuim
Bami Akunchen Fum.
bus more
Busmore.
ounce of olive oil.
Hans of Olavor.
Okay. Wami a clunchen fuim bus more ounce of olive oil. Okay. Aha. I guess
Uh-huh.
Jeva u agra ridocharischen.
August de Bahu Ara Hidocharchen.
Ridocharischen. What were you saying to your friends? What did you say to your friends? Bashin agra gevel am pizza ansav oil gle vlasta.
Vashin Arai Guvil on
Gavil.
pizza on his Valavor by Blasta.
Ansav oil gle vlasta on pizza. Okay. Anro fine chilach sambi.
On rope for a fine cheer, some bee.
Anro u a fine chilach sambi. Did you get any gift? Okay. Haro
Hello.
Hello.
vamia kur rutigen jan fost.
Bamiaka Rudigan Jan Vost.
I was putting something in the post or I was sending something in the mail. Okay. Kur could be to put or to send. Or it could also be to plant, like to plant.
Mhm.
Okay. Oh, Vashin Trang.
Oh, Vasan Chang.
Oh, that was busy. Va
Va.
ach vai sporso kuchak.
Hava Sporsha Kuchak.
Kuchak. But it was fun too. Hashinma,
Hashinma.
Chiri Andrasta.
Chirian Drasta.
Oh, that's good. Okay, well, goodbye for now. Chiri.
Shiri.
Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So there we have a little dialogue, and we see, so we've used exclusively the past tense. Okay. Okay. In various forms. Okay. All right. Any questions? Questions? Okay. All right. Okay. 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 So, let's see. Now, we won't do all of these tonight. We'll just do a couple but they remain for you to work on. So, can we make any sense of them? Okay. On ro u adol yanvu fesker anje. On ro u adol yanvu fesker anje. Okay.
We going to the store yesterday afternoon.
Very good. Yeah. Were you going to the store yesterday afternoon? Fesker anje yanvu. Okay, to the store. Haro iet agicha anje naskola.
They were not eating
Uh-huh.
in the school.
Anje naskola, after the school. Yeah, so they didn't eat after school or something like that. Okay. Okay. Bashina fechen jelaf kluch eken talavala. Vashin a fechen jelaf kluch eken talavala. Okay. A jelaf kluch is a
Play.
Yeah, play. Okay. Yeah. We saw a play
At the town hall.
At the town hall. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Nach ro'u ageishtek rikiol.
Weren't you listening to music?
Yeah, weren't you listening to music? Okay. Va'eachin yaki fesker.
He was coming home in the afternoon.
Yeah, he was coming home in the afternoon. Okay, yaki. Homeward. Okay, come home. Chin gaki. Okay, gleva. Okay. Okay, so can anybody do this? Were you going to the park yesterday evening? Unro.
U Adon Yan Fart
Unroad.
Peska Anji. Anji.
Uh-huh. Okay, very good. Jan Fark. Uh,
J. On J.
Peska
Esker.
Oh,
Anji.
J.
Okay, yeah, okay, Leva. Okay. Okay. They were not eating lunch at school.
Haro Iet.
Haro eat?
Agihe.
Okay.
Loan, I think.
Yeah, loan, okay.
Mhm.
Word loan, excola.
Ekin school or X school?
Yeah, excola, no ekenskol. Okay. Ekenskol, okay, Leva. Okay. We were seeing a play at the theater. Okay,
Fashion.
uh-huh.
Fashion.
But
Fashion.
in
Fekin.
Afechen,
Della Kuchet.
Jelaf Kluch,
Antai Kucha.
Ek, Anti Kluch. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. So, okay. Yeah. So I'll leave the rest of these for you to work on. Okay. All right. So anyway, but and remember you have various dictionaries available to you as well. Okay. All right. So yeah. So get in the practice of working with the dictionaries. Okay. All right. Okay. 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 Auckland Ekentry. Okay. Words at the beach. The beach. Okay. All right. Okay. So anyway, so our vocabulary sequence. Just bear with me a moment. See. Okay. Okay. So can you see this PowerPoint?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay. Okay. All right. Fachlan Ekentry, words at the beach. All right. Okay. Macher.
Maher.
Macher.
Macher.
Macher. Okay. And this is a distinctive beach formation in the Outer Hebrides. It's marked by this grass and the sand, so it's this kind of liminal space, so it's not a beach as we would know it. I mean, it's the sandy grass beach, and that looks like this, and so it's really beautiful, I think. Yeah, it's Macher. Okay. All right. So try,
Try.
Try.
and this is a beach as we would know it, a try. Okay, try. Okay. Slika.
Slika.
Okay, a shell. Okay, slika. Okay. Femin,
Femin.
Femin.
seaweed. Seaweed. Okay. Which is which in traditional Gaelic culture in the old Highlands was more than just a feature of the beach, plant growth, but it was very often the Gaels in the Outer Highlands, because the ground was not very fertile. They would collect the seaweed and chop it up and sift it into the soil. Okay, so they would use it to make fertilizer from. Okay. Ghanaic.
Yannick.
Genek.
And sometimes you'll hear it as Ganavik. Okay, yeah.
Ganavik.
Yeah,
Ganavik.
Ganavik or Ganeach. Okay.
Genetic.
But whichever, it's sand. Okay. Ganavik or Ganeach. Okay. Right, sand. Okay. Moor.
Muir.
Moor.
Yeah.
Sea. Okay. And there's other words for sea or ocean, but this is a common one. Moor. Okay. Tone.
Tone.
Tone. Or town. Okay. It's a wave. Okay. Tone. Rutin geyenif ekentrai. Things that are done on the beach.
Oh.
Okay. Blianach,
Leonach.
Ganavik.
sunbathing. Okay. All right. Though though not so much in Scotland. Okay.
You get frostbite.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Jeshanav,
Jason.
Ishanav.
a swimsuit, a bathing suit. Jeshanav. Okay. So you should reckon we've had snav, okay, to swim, and Jesha would be a suit of clothing. Okay. Jeshanav. Okay. Ichaluk,
Ishalak.
Ichiluk.
a kite. Okay. Related to the word to fly. Okay. Ichaluk. Okay.
Hmm.
A kite. Kashto Ganavik.
Kasha
Kashoganovic.
Ganavik. Okay. A sandcastle. Kashto Ganavik. Okay. Sandcastle. Yeah. So Kashto. Okay. And then, of course, Ganavik. Okay. Okay. Surfuk.
Suffolk.
Okay. Yeah. Surfing. Okay. Handunya a surfuk. Okay. The man is surfing. Surfuk.
Do people surf in Scotland very
Mhm.
much?
Yeah.
Oh, they do?
Yeah, a little bit. Because of the weather, sports in which you immerse yourself in water are not that popular.
They have to wear wetsuits.
Right, yeah. Well, they will wear wetsuits. Water sports that are more boating type or more popular.
Where you don't get in the water.
Yeah, don't get in the water, like
Mhm.
kayaking or sailing, things like that, Well,
How big are the waves?
um,
Not like Hawaii or anything, right?
well, no.
I think some places.
Yeah, in some
Oh.
places they are, but very often those places, the waves run right into the rocks,
Don't do that.
That's dangerous.
right into the cliffs, so anyway, but yeah, okay. All right. Snav.
Snob.
No.
Okay, we've had this one before. Snav. Okay.
Snob.
Handunya a snav, swimming. Shola,
Sholok.
Chola.
sailing. Okay, very popular. This is very popular. Okay. In in large boats or small boats, depending on one's financial resources. But even people, even working people might have a small boat of one kind or another to go sailing. So anyway. Ieskach,
Yes.
okay, fishing. Either on Severe in the ocean or on loch in a lake. Okay, so fishing's very popular, and popular with tourists too. A lot of tourists will come to Scotland to go salmon fishing, for instance. Bechen ekentrai, beasts or animals on the beach. Right? Foilik,
Oilik.
okay, a seagull. Foilik, okay, and I'll say that the Fulican, okay, the seagulls in Scotland can be pretty nasty. I've been chased off a beach by an angry seagull who thought I got too close to her nest. And moving away didn't help matters. She chased me. So anyways, Roan,
Roan.
okay. Okay, a seal. Okay, which is related to, and we've had the story of the Selkies, right? Okay, so Rhone. Okay, okay. Isk,
Isk.
Yes.
fish. Of course, all sorts of different kinds of fish, but this is just a general fish. Okay, shark.
Shark.
Shark. Okay, a shark. Okay, though the sharks that are off the west coast of Scotland are mostly what's called basking sharks, which are large sharks, but not very very large, but peaceful. I mean, so they don't attack you. So they don't. So anyway, Mukvara,
Mukvara.
Mukvara, a whale. Okay. Okay, yeah. One of my famous or one of my favorite words, mukvara. Okay, literally a pig of the sea. If you remember muk, a pig, so mukvara, a sea pig. Okay, lemadermara.
Limadermara.
Uh-huh. Lemader means a jumper.
Jumping.
Yeah, lame is a word to jump, okay, jumping. Okay, so a lemader would be a jumpers, a thing that jumps, or a
Sea
person.
jumpers.
A sea jumper, that's right. Lemader, yeah, sea jumper. Okay, yeah. A krupuk,
Krubak.
Krupak.
a krupuk, okay, a crab, okay, a krupuk, okay, and flashcards. Okay, let's run through some of the flashcards. And so I've taken the prompts out, and you just have the pictures. So, okay, what's that?
Maher.
Maher, yeah.
Maher,
Maher.
yeah.
Maher.
Not Maher, Maher. Well, it's got
Oh,
The K.
Maher.
Maher, yeah, it's got that CH in between there. Okay, Maher. All right, Pleva. What's that?
Try.
Try.
That
Sliga.
Slika, Slika, very good. What's that?
Frenchman.
Famine.
Lemon.
What's that?
Famous. That
Ganavich,
Yeah.
or Ganeich, okay. And I've heard,
Mhm.
I think the more popular pronunciation these days is Ganavich.
Ganavik.
Ganavik, Though I learned it as Ganeich, and that's why I keep going back to that, because it's the first word, it's the first that I heard. So Ganavik, I think, is more common
Ganavik.
pronunciation these days. Okay. What's that?
Muir.
Muir.
Moor.
Moor.
Okay. Amur du.
Black.
What's that?
Tone.
Black Sea. Yeah.
Tone.
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 Yeah. Okay. What is she
Bl-
doing?
Blair.
It sounds
Blair.
like the word for year. Bliana.
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 Rihanna.
Bliana.
Rihanna.
Sunbathing. Okay. What is he wearing?
Jesus Nav.
This is
Jasha Snav. Okay. Leva. Okay. What are they flying?
Start right.
Italach.
Yeah, very good. Eachluk.
The luck.
Eachluk. Okay. Yeah, Leva. Eachluk. Related to the word to fly. Eachluk. Okay. What is that?
Castillo.
Custom.
Himnoch.
Very good. Kostyo Ganovich.
Ganovich.
Still Ganovich. Okay. What's he doing?
Surfing.
Surfuk.
Sorry.
Surfuk. Okay. And then with this, we can see how, and this is very common in many languages, that when they borrow a word from another language, they will make it according to, they'll construct it according to the rules of the native language. And so, so instead of surfing, it becomes surfuk. And the ADH is, the very Gallic, verbal noun ending. Okay. So it kind of converts it into Gallic. Okay. What is he doing?
Snob.
Snob. Okay. Leva. Okay. What's going on here?
Say love.
Sheolach, Sheolach,
Yeah.
Sheolach, Sheolach,
Sholach.
uh-huh. What's that?
Frulach.
Well,
Sheolach,
Fiancé,
uh-huh, yeah. Okay, what's that?
Ron,
Rome.
Roan,
Roan.
Roan, okay, yeah, okay. Those of you who live down in San Diego,
No, no.
yeah, you have a lot of these. Imich I can try, okay.
I
Yep, and
swam
they're
with them
stinky.
Yes.
at
What's that?
Mission Beach. I almost dove into one many years ago.
Oh, really?
Oh
Okay.
yeah, I've swam at Mission for 50 years.
Oh,
One goes by and my husband's on the beach screaming, but I don't see him. Even if I dove into the water, I wasn't any afraid of anything because I was swimming. And he went right by me. He just looked at me, just looked at each other. Yeah, it was feeding time, 5 p.m. or so.
right, yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, as long as you didn't interfere with his dinner, I guess he was okay. Yeah, okay, yeah. Well, I've, yeah, I've seen news reports. Well, this past summer, that people were going down to what's that point? What's that area in La Jolla? Going down to La Jolla
It's
where
the children's pool.
Well,
what?
there's a
About the children's pool.
Oh, the children's pool. That's
pool,
right.
Mhm.
Yeah, and people were going right up to the
And there's babies. Yes, not so much.
sea lions and all that, and they and and some people were being chased, as they were intruding too much on the sea lions. So anyway, but all right. So what is this?
Yes.
Yes.
Yisk, and that
Short.
shark. Okay, and that
Mukvara.
mukvara. Okay, and that
Lemon.
lameder
Mara.
mara. Very good. Lameder mara. Yeah, the
Lameder
jumpers of
mara.
the sea jumpers. Okay, and what's that?
Kruvak.
Krupak. Yeah. All right, there you go. Okay, so Fachlin Ekentrai. And of course, this is available to you to study and over the winter we'll come back to this, get you all ready for next summer. So you have all you okay.
I have a quick question about Blianag.
Liana,
Yeah, why is it sound like the word for year?
I think that is just a just an accident.
Okay.
They don't have anything to do with each other. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Yeah.
Do you know the word for sponge?
A sponge?
Yeah,
Like like the animal?
yeah, the sponge.
That's your friend from
Like
the
a sea
sea.
sponge?
Uh-huh.
A sea
Yeah.
sponge.
Yeah.
Yeah. Spunk.
Okay.
Spoke.
Yeah. What yeah, okay. What spunk equals sponge. Okay. Spunk. Okay, yeah. So almost the same, except it doesn't have this soft ending. It has more of a K type ending as spunk. Right. Okay. All right. Liba. All right. Okay. All right. So now let me stop the share and I have to go to the where am I going? Macy Hato. Okay. All right. Okay. So let me call up let me go back to share. Bouncing back and forth here. Okay. All right, here we go. Okay, so you can see Maisie Luch Adol Achato. Okay. Maisie Luch, Maisie Mouse, Luch Mouse. Okay.
Going to sleep.
Yeah, Adol Achato, going to sleep. Okay, Adol You know, so we've had this word before, the verbal noun for going, adol achato. Katel would be sleep, okay? Mezi luch adol achato. Right? Oh. Oh. Let's see if I can get the wait, hold on one second. View oh. No. Okay. This will just confuse things if I do this. So just let me I'll do what is this then? No, okay. All right, so ha ahich ekmaizi august panda agol achato. Okay, so ha ahich each ekmaizi august panda
Akmaisi, August Panda,
panda, okay, agol
Ayo,
achato.
Ahato.
Achato. Okay. Ha ahich. It is time. Ahich. Okay. Ekmaizi august panda for or of Maisie and panda. Agol achato. To go. Agol
To sleep.
to sleep. Okay. Yeah. All right. So here we go. Maisie august panda. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Hamaizi, Maisie, adunuch nan kurstenen. Hamaizi, adunuch,
Amaisi, Adunya.
adunuch nan kurstenen.
No Christian.
Okay, Maisie closes the curtains. Nan kurstenen, adunuch, close. Okay. Toohoo.
Two.
Okay. Ars achalek eicha.
Ars a Halik.
Eicha.
Eka.
Okay.
The
Says
night owl?
yeah. Well, the owl, okay.
Mhm.
And literally Chalak Aicha means old woman of the night. So that's the name for an owl, a Chalak Aicha, old woman of the night. Okay. And there's Maisie and Panda. Okay? And they're Adunich nan Kirstenen, closing the curtains. Okay. Amaisi Gania Hain.
Amaisi gania hain.
Agus a brúskuch a fiechlan.
Agus a brúsklech a faklen.
Okay.
Fiechlan.
Maisie washes herself, Gania Hain. Gania, her,
Herself.
and then Hain would be herself. Agus a brúskuch a fiechlan. Then brushes
Brush of the teeth.
Brushes.
her teeth. Fiechlan. Okay. So here she is, a brúsikuch a fiechlan. Okay.
Fiechlan.
Her teeth. Okay. A maisi a kur ora a jesha aicha. A maisi
Amaisi a kur ora
a
a
jesha
jesha oicha.
aicha. Okay.
Aicha.
Maisi kur ora puts on herself. A kur puts on herself, on her, a jesha, her, a jesha,
Night clothing.
night clothing. Yeah, her
The
pajamas.
pajamas.
Okay. Yeah. And so we had a jesha snav,
Mhm.
Suit.
right? A swimming suit. Well, this is a night.
Night suit.
Yeah. A jesha aika. So here she is getting ready for bed, putting on her pajamas, putting on her jesha aika. Okay. Hayadol yan yapi.
Ayado yan lapi.
She goes to bed, yan yapi. Yapi would be bed. Agus a yevik story.
Agus a yevig story.
Okay. And reads a story. Okay. And there's other words for story as well. This is one of them. And obviously this one is adopted. This is an adoption from English, story. Okay. Ak Kachavel Panda.
Kachavel panda.
Uh-huh.
where is Panda?
Yeah. Where is
What?
Panda?
But
So
where is Panda?
yeah, where is Panda? So kach is a word for where when it's used in questions, okay? Kachavel Panda. Where is Panda? Okay, so here she is a Yavik story. Avele Anamboxa Nanjay chicken. Avele
Vele
Anam
boxa non
Nanjay
chicken.
chicken. Okay. Is he in the box of the toys? Anamboxa in the toy box, in the box of toys. Anamboxa Nanjay chicken. Jay chick would be a toy. Jay chicken would be
Jay-chick.
plural. So Avelianum Boxon and Jay chicken. Okay, here she is. She's looking for him. Oh, shute.
Oh,
Shoot
shoot,
a.
eh?
Shute. Okay. Okay, yeah. There he is. Okay. Oh, funny story about this. I have I was flying from Scotland with a friend, uh, and she was a Gaelic speaker, right? And we were speaking Gaelic the whole trip, and continued as we went to the baggage carousel, and she saw her baggage, and she was in the Gaelic mode, and she started saying shoot, shoot, shit, shit, shit. Everybody around her was
There's something wrong with her, huh?
yeah.
Tourette syndrome.
Yeah. She's really saying shoot, there, there it is, but everybody thought she was swearing. Okay, anyway, kind of funny. Anyway, all right, so shite, there he is.
Okay.
Shite, there. Okay. Hamaizi Akurie Antolish.
Hamaizi akorye antolish.
Antolish. Okay. Maisie puts out the light. Akurie. Okay, to put out, to put off the
Akorye.
light. Okay. Achachech eche erkatel.
Ach,
Hachech
hachech,
eche
eiche erkato.
erkatel. Okay. But she doesn't, but she's not able to go to sleep. Can't manage to go to sleep. Erkatel. Okay. Okay, so here she had Chech eche erkatel. Okay. Amaizia kur fame an type vec.
Hamaizi akor.
Fame
Fame Aaron Tybeck.
Okay. Tyvek. Okay.
Tybeck.
Yeah, that's the bathroom. Literally,
Oh,
yeah, literally the little house.
little house.
The little house. Okay. I guess derived from
Outhouses.
yeah, from the time of the outhouses, and so the word is just retained. Okay, and we have that in English as well. I mean, the technology or features go away, but we retain the words for it. Okay, but anyway, akur fame. Okay, so she has need. Okay.
Oh, she needs to go to the bathroom.
She needs to go to the bathroom. Okay, August panda.
August Pond.
I guess
yeah.
panda.
And panda too. August panda. Okay. All right, so here she is. Here's Macy of the Tybeck, and Panda as
The
well.
little house.
The little house, okay. Macy Guma Katalachanish.
Macy Guma
Guma
Katalach.
Katalachanish.
Anish. Okay, she's now Maisie is very sleepy. Katalach. So you see how that's related to Katal. Katal. Okay, it's Katalach, sleepy. Katal would be sleep. Katalach would be sleepy. Anish for now. Okay. Aikava, amazing.
Aikava, Amazi.
Aikava Avezi.
Avezi. Okay. Remember the MH is pronounced like a V. Aikava, Avezi. Aikava, Afanda.
Aikava Afanda.
Okay. Good night, Maisie. Good night, Panda. Okay. Okay. So on Shohait Nankato. And they're in their sleep. They're asleep. Okay. Leva. All right. So that's Meisiluch adol achatel. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. Nice. All right. Any questions? Okay. All right. Okay. Meisiluch. Okay. And this is uploaded in the Dropbox, and you can download it and study it. Okay. Your Gallic literature for the week. Okay. All right. So let's go to, okay, our song. So I'll review first. This is Farambimi Heen, okay, where I myself am, okay. Farambimi Heen. Farambimi Heen. Oh, wait. Sorry, I have to share. I forgot to share.
Mhm.
All right. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. Right here. Okay. Farambimi Heen. Sound. Oh.
Sound of this.
Huh? Where I am, that's where my hope or my sweetheart is. Okay. So very often Docus very literally means hope,
Mhm.
but it can mean sweetheart, which might be a better translation for in this context. Okay, all right. So, and then we go to the next verse. Shul na klatigen is koshik Aganovich.
Aganovich.
Aganovich. Okay.
The sand.
Traveling on the beaches. Klatigen would be another word for beaches. Okay. So koshik Aganovich. And walking on the sand. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's see. And here's the last verse. Motor am pieper porchgun son rila. Motor pieper porchgun son rila. If the piper doesn't give us a tune for a reel, sound verschien scrib kunan iler van. Sound a verschien scrib. It's so take a walk, verschien scrib, take a walk. A scrib would be a little walk. Kunan iler van. To the blonde fiddler, to the fair-haired fiddler. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So now we're going to go to our singing instructor.
Hello Harston, agus fáilte rih go áireann na seachtaine ile cóilrimsa Joy Dunlop. Hello and welcome back to another Song of the Week with me, Joy Dunlop. Now you might remember that last time we learned the first part of Faram Bimi Heen. So let's revise the chorus right now. After 4, hey, yeah, 3, here. Faram Bimi Heen, you sound the fismal lochas. Faram Be me heen, je sound the vismolochas. Be me heen, je sound the vismolochas. Be me heen, bimolochas sound. Gleva. So let's look at one of the verses, and this one mentions the shore. We are Shual Aid, give that a wee go. Shual Aid, Nuklatichen, traveling the shores. Shual Aid, Nuklatichen. Sekoshach Gate, try that. Sekoshach Gate, walking on Iganovich. One more time. Iganovich. Walking on the sands. Loads of sounds in there. Let's break it up again into small pieces. Shualv 8. Fiaction. Give that a go. Shualv 8. And then Nuklatichen. Let's try that bit. Nuklatichen. the shores. So Shualth Eithne Claptichin. Try that one more time. Shualth Eithne Claptichin. Galevan. The second bit goes Sekoshachgith Fiakshin. Give it a go. Sekoshachgith. And the last wee bit, Eganavich. Try that one. Eganavich. So if you stick those two bits together, you have Sekoshachgith Eganavich. A mouthful, but a fun one to say. So we stick all that together. We have Shual Eithne Claptichin Sekoshachgith Eganavich. That's your tongue twister for today. And the great thing is, once we've learned that, we repeat it 3 times over. So let's give it a wee go. Shual Eithne Claptichin Sekoshachgith Eganavich. Shual Eithne Claptichin Sekoshachgith Eganavich. Shual Eithne Claptichin Sekoshachgith Eganavich. And a prize for doing so well with those lines is that the 4th line is exactly the same as the 4th line in the chorus. Faram bimi hin bi magocha sound. Nice and easy. So again, we have a different tune for this part. So the first bit, it starts up high this time, and we're gonna sing Shual Eithne Claptichin Fiakshin. Give it a go. Shual Eithne Claptichin. And then we pick it up there and do Sekoshachgith Eganavich. So we have Shual Eithne Claptichin Sekoshachgith Eganavich. Give that a go one more time. Shual Eithne Claptichin Sekoshachgith Eganavich. Then we go back down again. Shual Eithne Claptichin Sekoshachgith Eganavich. Try that. Shual Eithne Claptichin Sekoshachgith Eganavich. And then we're back up there for the 3rd line. Shual Eithne Claptichin Sekoshachgith Eganavich. And then the 4th line, same as we already know. Faram bimi hin bi magocha sound. So let's try those 4 lines to do it together. We'll do them nice and slowly the first time. And then we'll speed up once we get used to how the words and the music fit together. So here we go. Hunga, 3, care. Shual Eithne Claptichin Sekoshachgith Eganavich. Shual Eithne Claptichin Sekoshachgith Eganavich. Shual Eithne Claptichin Sekoshachgith Eganavich. Faram bimi hin bi magocha sound. Finish that. Let's speed up a wee bit. Here, yeah, 3, care. Shual Eithne Claptichin Sekoshachgith Eganavich. Shual Eithne Claptichin Sekoshachgith Eganavich. Shual Eithne Claptichin Sekoshachgith Eganavich. Faram bimi hin bi magocha sound. Agreed. I think we're ready to do the chorus and then the first verse and then back to the chorus as if we're doing it properly, as if we're actually singing the song. Let's take it up a wee bit. Dee 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 dee, hey, yeah, dee, here. Be me je zal de vis morgens. Be me je zal de vis morgens. Be me je zal de vis morgens. Be me morgens zo'n. Sjoel with the klappigens, kosjoch gering en ewig. Sjoel with the klappigens, kosjoch gering en ewig. Sjoel with the klappigens, kosjoch gering en ewig. Be morgens zo'n. Be me je zal de vis morgens. Be me je zal de vis morgens. Be me je zal de vis morgens. Be me morgens zo'n. Margarita, well done everybody. Agus sin Doran, that is the whole of the chorus, the first verse, and the chorus again. Smart ancient. Well done.
Turn off mute. Okay, Gleva. Okay, there we go. Okay, so Farum be me heen sound of ismagochas. Okay. I am, there's my hopes. Okay, there's my sweetheart. Okay, so anyway, so all right. Any questions?
Oh, what is a reel?
Oh, a reel. Okay. One Gallic a reela. In English, a reel. Okay. Let me see if I can. Okay. It's a dance. Okay. Hold on.
The very old dance.
Uh-huh. Okay. It's okay. All right. Here, hold on a second. Okay.
PTSD brought a new struggle into my life that I totally was not prepared.
Okay. Anyway, so very popular. Okay, let's see. Wonder if
It looked like square dancing.
yeah, I think it's related. Let's see. Yeah, no, I'm trying to get oh no, there's a funny bit about reels, but I can't find it. Anyway, all right. Anyway. Okay. All right. Anyway, yeah. But American square dancing is descended from the Scottish, and then I'd say also Irish reels. Okay. Yeah. So anyway, yes. So definitely, so the immigrants brought it over, and and of course changed and adapted in the American environment. Yeah. Very much so. And yeah, and there is a funny Let's see. A funny bit. No, but I can't find it right now. I'll see if I can find it for next week. It's a fun little bit about getting trapped in a reel. Okay, okay. Scottish comedian uses anyway. Okay. Any other questions? Anything else? No? Okay. All right. Well, Gleva. Okay. Very good. Gleva. Very good. All right. Well, Aikava Huladunya. Aikava.
Akiva,
Akiva.
that,
Cheery.
Yiri.
that too.
Yiri.